welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Now today's video is going to be something very exciting because I have got a product for you which is, I think, so affordable for everybody, and somebody even requested me to do a video on drugstore products, but I don't have a lot of products. I just have one product to talk about. I just got to know about it a few days back. I got it, I tried it, and I really liked it. But with the kind of price it is, I think we all must give it a try, and that is these beautiful, gorgeous lipsticks from Miss Claire. So I have been hearing a lot of good things about Miss Claire, though I tried a couple of their products, but you know, somehow certain thing suits you, certain thing doesn't suit you, or it suits different people differently. But then I got these chubby sticks, as what they call, and I tried them and I really like them. Now the exciting part is that they cost only rupees 150. I mean, 150 rupees is nothing for a product which is of this kind of a quality. So let me quickly swatch and review these chubby sticks for you guys, and then you can let me know how did you like it. So the first shade that I'm gonna be talking about is this one. It's a very gorgeous kind of an orange shade, and this is the shade that I'm wearing right now. So this is how it looks like. The next shade, in fact I can swatch this shade for you guys on my hand as well, so that you can see how it looks on my hand. So if you guys can catch the shade. So this is the first shade. It's a very pretty kind of a subtle orange. Now this next shade that I'm going to be trying is this one. It looks like this. It's a very pretty soft pink. It's not a very light pink, but it's a very soft pink shade. Let me swatch it for you guys on my hand first. Now these lipsticks are semi-matte. They are not very intense matte. So being semi-matte, the good thing about these lipsticks are that they are not very drying. In fact, they are not drying at all. You feel comfortable wearing them. As far as the longevity is concerned, I wouldn't say they stay for very long. They stay for like 2 to 3 hours, but if you eat something, they are definitely going to run out. So that I think happens with any lipstick for that matter. But then yeah, for 2 to 3 hours, yes, they will stay put and they feel soft, they don't feel dry, and I love the shades in these lipsticks. So this is the pink that I just talked about. This is how it looks like. So let me quickly wear it on and show it to you how this looks upon me. So guys, this is how this pink shade looks upon me. Now the next shade that I'm going to be swatching for you is this beautiful shade. Actually all these shades have numbers, so I will be listing all the numbers down below along with this video, and also in the description box, so you can check that out. This is number 63, and this is like a soft red, more towards a tomato red. This is the one, the third one. Let me swatch it and come back. Okay guys, so this is the red shade, the one that I just showed you, and this is how it looks upon me. So let me quickly swatch and show you the fourth shade, and this is number 64, and this is also kind of it's like a mix of orange and red, or you can say it's a little towards brighter orange. So this is how the shade looks like. This was the first orange. It's more towards like a tangy orange, and this is more towards brighter orange, and this is how the shade looks like on my hand, and this is how it looks upon me. Now this is the last shade that I've got, and this is in the number 45, and this is like a brighter red with a tinge of maroon, but yet again it's a very bright shade. It's not too dark, and this is how it looks like. And let me quickly wear it on my lips and show you how it looks. Friends, this is the last lipstick and the swatch, and this is how it looks upon me. So guys, this is my Miss Claire Chubby Stick review and swatches. So to reiterate, these lipsticks retail for only 150 rupees each. They have actually launched them in some 12 to 15 shades. I'm not very sure about how many shades these lipsticks are launched in, but when I went to the shop, the lady told me that she doesn't have a couple of shades, but still there were some 12 to 15 shades. Though I don't wear browns and plums, so I didn't get those shades, but I ended up getting all the reds and the pinks and the oranges, and I absolutely love these shades. They are semi-matte, they don't feel dry, and I would say these are decently pigmented, though I wouldn't say they are very intensely pigmented, but yes, the pigmentation is decent, and the colors are fabulous. They are bright, they are youthful, they are summery, and for 150 rupees each, I give it a big thumbs up. It is a great deal. So go ahead, try these chubby sticks out from Miss Claire, and I will mention all the numbers below in the description box as well as alongside the swatches, so that you guys can make a informed decision about what you want to pick up. So guys, if you like this video, found it useful, do let me know, leave your comments, show this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Reposo, and my Facebook page. Giveaways are going to be announced every month, and thank you so much once again for all the love and support that you guys have shown towards me. I really enjoy making all these videos and putting my posts on all social media networks, so it's sort of become a community, a family, and yeah, it's so much fun guys. So thank you once again for watching my video. Till we meet next time, take good care, stay happy, stay beautiful, stay positive, love you all, bye bye.